I love you. Call her name, honey.
Bennett. Hey, Bennett. Are you sitting up like a tripod?
Yes. Daddy's calling you.
Hi, baby. Come on, you're sitting up. It's your first tripod moment.
Daddy's talking to you.
Hey, Bennett.
Daddy's talking to you. Hi, Daddy's right there.
Bennett. Say hi, Mommy.
Say hi.
Bennett. Bennett.
Daddy's talking to you. Daddy's talking to you. Hi. It's a girl.
Hi, Bennett.
Oh.
What you doing?
You. I love you.
Don't fall off the chair.
I love you.
What is that?
Say, I love you, Mommy. I love you, Daddy. I love you, Baron. That's terrible.
Mommy said she's watching you.